Good morning. I am solving a algebraic problem. 3a plus 2b. Make it square. So we know a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 3a plus 2b whole square equal to 3a whole square plus 2b whole square plus 2 into 3a into 2b. So 3a whole square means 3a into 3a equal to 9a square plus 2b whole square means 2b into 2b 4b square. So 9a square plus 4b square plus 2 into 3a into 2b. 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12ab. So the answer will be 9a square plus 4b square plus 12ab. Thank you very much.